So, we bought this house about 2 years ago under the assumption that it was all 100% rewired. Then I pulled up a floorboard in the attic and found splices, which are leading me to believe that it is less so. For any of you who have never seen knob and tube before, it gets its name from the knobs, which is that lower porcelain thing there, and then the tubes, which are drilled through the studs to keep the wire from coming in contact with the wood. But when you get over here, you'll notice that it is well within contact to the wood. And right here, it's even going through the wood with no tubes, along with this white wire that's been spliced in illegally. The gray wire there, that's cloth NMB, nicknamed Romex, cloth Romex, and that would be 1960s era. Does have a ground. If it's done right, it is a good wiring method, but I've come across more wrong in this house than right. I have a nice little J-box right here that I'll be getting into later.